All right, let's talk. You're a design engineer. You've put in the work, you've sharpened your skills, and now you're kind of looking around thinking, okay, what's the next big thing for me? Well, you're in the right place, because today we are looking at some seriously specialized roles that aren't just a new job, they're a major step up in your career.
So does this sound like you? Are you an experienced engineer who's really hungry for some real growth? Ready for a company that isn't just posting jobs but is actively looking for your very specific set of talents? If you're nodding along, you're going to want to pay very close attention.
And the company making all this happen, it's Trinity Technoglobal. Right now, they're strategically growing their teams, and because of that, they've opened up some really specific, really compelling roles for design engineers in some of India's key industrial hubs.
Now, here's a crucial detail. These are not entry-level positions. Nope. Trinity Technoglobal is looking for seasoned professionals, people with 3 to 4 years of real, hands-on experience. This is all about taking the expertise you've already worked so hard to build and putting it to work.
Okay, let's get right into the specifics. We're going to start our tour in Jaipur. And beyond its amazing culture, the city is becoming a real hub for manufacturing. And the engineering roles here, well, they definitely reflect that. They need a pretty diverse set of technical skills.
Just take a look at the variety here. So in Jaipur, they need a CATIA whiz for casting component design, which is absolutely fundamental for durable manufacturing. Then they're also on the lookout for a Creo specialist who can handle electric motor design, a huge field right now with the whole EV boom. And for you analysts out there, there's a role focusing on LS Dyna, which is pretty much the gold standard for complex crash simulations. 3 really different but totally vital specializations, all in one city.
Okay, so from the diverse needs we saw in Jaipur, let's shift gears and head to the heart of India's tech scene, Bengaluru. Now here the focus gets super narrow, honing in on a single, highly specialized role that says a lot about where the auto industry is headed. This role is incredibly specific. They're looking for a design and CAE analyst, that's computer-aided engineering, who literally lives and breathes automotive connectors. Think about it. We're talking about the tiny, vital components that basically act as a vehicle's entire electronic nervous system. This is a perfect niche for an engineer who just loves getting into the weeds with detailed simulation and analysis.
All right, our final stop takes us to Chennai, one of India's absolute automotive powerhouses. So it's really no surprise that the roles here are all about core vehicle design and require expertise in a specific industry-leading software.
In Chennai, it is all about being proficient with NX, that super powerful integrated software for product design. They're hiring for 2 different roles that both use this platform. One is a design engineer for more general components, and the other is a specialist focused entirely on automotive casting design. So, if NX is your tool of choice, Chennai is definitely where you need to be looking.
So, whether it was Jaipur, Bangalore, or Chennai, if one of those roles made you sit up and say, hey, that's me, what's the next move? Well, it's refreshingly simple, I promise.
It's really just 2 steps, no complicated online forms to fill out. First, get your professional details ready to go. Second, just send them directly to the contact number that we're about to share. That's it.
And here is that all-important number. Let me read it out for you nice and clear. That's +91 98409 12099. This is your direct line to these opportunities. Go ahead and save that in your phone right now.
And well, that's it. The roles are all laid out, the path to apply couldn't be clearer, and now the choice is all yours. Whether it's CATIA in Jaipur, those automotive connectors in Bengaluru, or the NX design work in Chennai, your next big engineering challenge is literally just one message away. So the only question left is, which one are you going to go for?